Hi, my name is Dan and I have developed a whole new way for you and your team to work with innovation and new thinking. And the best part is, you don't need to learn anything ahead. You will discover and develop along the way. It is an agile innovation concept that takes advantage of both individual and team performance. But most importantly, it takes into account that we are individuals that peak creatively in different ways. For 7 days, short videos and exercises will guide you towards the goal and at the same time allow you to follow your own curiosity. As opposed to other design sprints, you only spend 3 times 20 minutes per day. This might seem like a short time, but being focused and being guided, this is all you need. I am not afraid to say that this is some of the best work I have done, and I am excited about the unique ideas you and your team will develop with this new method.